We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Sriracha stuffed animal hammock with LED light, a 2-pack storage solution designed for kids' rooms and nurseries. If you own this item, please share your experience in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This review aims to provide a detailed overview of what users like and dislike about this product, covering its features, performance, usability, pros, cons, and overall impression. The Sriracha stuffed animal hammock with LED light is marketed as a practical and decorative storage solution for stuffed animals, plushies, and even small pillows or blankets. It is made from polyester and features a hand-woven macrame design with cotton rope and wooden rings, giving it a sturdy yet stylish boho appearance. Each package includes 2 hammocks, 2 78-inch LED light strings, 6 anchors, and 6 screws, so you have everything needed for installation. No additional accessories are required, which simplifies setup for most users. The hammock is designed to fit in the corner of a room, maximizing storage space while keeping floors clear and organized. The enlarged triangular net measures 40 by 40 by 59 inches and can support up to 15 kilograms, which translates to roughly 20 medium-sized stuffed animals per hammock. This generous capacity is a highlight for many families dealing with overflowing collections of plush toys. One of the standout features is the inclusion of LED light strings. These lights add a warm, cozy glow to the room, making the storage area feel magical and inviting, especially at night. Parents and children alike have commented on the comforting atmosphere created by the lights, which can help ease bedtime routines and add a decorative flair to the space. The macrame design with tassels further enhances the visual appeal, fitting seamlessly into a variety of room decors, particularly those with a boho or chic theme. In terms of usability, the hammock scores highly for its ease of installation. Users consistently report that setting up the hammock is straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The material stretches well across the corner, and the anchors and screws provide a stable, secure hold. Many reviewers have noted that the hammock remains sturdy even when loaded with a large number of stuffed animals. The polyester fabric is described as soft to the touch and true to color, contributing to both comfort and aesthetics. The versatility of the hammock allows it to accommodate not only stuffed animals, but also other soft items like blankets and small pillows, making it a flexible addition to any child's room. Performance-wise, the hammock delivers on its promise of decluttering and organizing. Parents appreciate the way it frees up valuable floor space, making rooms feel larger and more orderly. Children enjoy having their favorite toys displayed in an accessible yet tidy manner. The hammock's large capacity means that even extensive collections can be stored efficiently, reducing mess and making cleanup easier. The design also encourages children to participate in organizing their own spaces, fostering good habits from an early age. However, there are some drawbacks noted by users. One recurring issue is the size of the hammock. While it is advertised as enlarged, some customers found it smaller than expected, especially when dealing with very large plush toys or exceptionally large collections. In these cases, buyers often opt to purchase a second set to accommodate all their items. The lack of size options is a minor limitation, as not all users found the standard dimensions sufficient for their needs. Another point of criticism concerns the LED light strings. While the lights are a popular feature, there have been reports of them failing after a short period of use. Some users experienced issues with the lights stopping work within a month, even after changing batteries and troubleshooting. This was disappointing for those who considered the lighting a key selling point. The manufacturer does not include batteries, so buyers need to supply their own, which is a minor inconvenience. If the quality of the LED light component were improved, the product would approach perfection for many users. Despite this, the hammock itself remains functional and durable, with the lighting issue not detracting from its core storage capabilities. Durability is another strong point. The hand-woven cotton rope and sturdy construction ensure that the hammock can handle a significant amount of weight without sagging or tearing. The wooden rings add to the overall strength and contribute to the boho aesthetic. Users report that the material holds up well over time, even with frequent use and heavy loads. The hammock is also easy to clean, requiring only occasional dusting or spot cleaning to maintain its appearance. From a design perspective, the Sriracha stuffed animal hammock excels at blending form and function. The macrame style, tassels, and color options make it a decorative piece as much as a storage solution. It can serve as a focal point in a child's room, adding texture and visual interest to otherwise unused corner spaces. The LED lights, when functioning properly, enhance this effect by creating a soft, ambient glow that children find comforting. The hammock is suitable for a wide range of ages, from newborns to older children, and can be adapted to different room layouts and storage needs. Customer feedback highlights several key advantages. The hammock is praised for its ability to hold a large number of stuffed animals, its sturdy construction, and its attractive design. Parents appreciate the way it helps keep rooms tidy and organized, while children enjoy the cozy, magical atmosphere created by the LED lights. The ease of installation and all-in-one package make it accessible to most users, even those without DIY experience. The product's versatility allows it to be used for more than just stuffed animals, accommodating other soft items as needed. On the downside, the most common complaints relate to the size and the durability of the LED lights. Some users wish the hammock were larger or that there were size options available. The failure of the LED lights in some cases is a notable drawback, especially for those who view the lighting as a key feature. However, these issues are generally outweighed by the product's overall functionality and value. The hammock remains a popular choice for families seeking an affordable, stylish, and effective storage solution for stuffed animals and other soft items. In summary, the Suricia Stuffed Animal Hammock with LED light offers a blend of practicality and style that appeals to both parents and children. Its sturdy construction, large capacity, and decorative design make it a standout option for organizing plush toys and adding a cozy touch to any room. While there are some minor issues with size and LED light durability, the product's strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. It is easy to install, holds a substantial number of items, and enhances the look and feel of children's spaces. The inclusion of 2 hammocks per package adds value, allowing for flexible storage solutions in multiple rooms or for larger collections. If you are looking for a way to keep your child's room tidy while adding a decorative element, this hammock is a strong contender. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Based on extensive user feedback, the Suricia Stuffed Animal Hammock with LED light is highly recommended for families seeking a functional, stylish, and affordable storage solution for stuffed animals and more.